So the first thing you want to do is to look for an image that you are going to use. So for demonstration purposes, I'll search in elements. Alright, and then I'll look for a choose container that I can use, choose bottle. Alright, and then let's click on see all. I want to filter by photos and not graphics. So for photos, I'll pick this one and add it to my canvas. Alright, so I'm going to decrease the size of this image a bit. Right, that looks fine. And then I want to go into applications, and then once in applications, you want to search for an application called Easy Reflections. Easy Reflections, that's the name of the app, so you search for that. Yeah, and it's the first one that comes up, the one with the sneaker there. Right, and you want to open that, and then you want to select your image that you're going to use with the app. Right, and then you click on create a reflection, and then you can adjust the offset and the opacity. Right, this is just about increasing or decreasing the intensity of the image. So we'll decrease that to around, let's say 25. Right, that's fine. And then increase that to around 60. Right, that looks good. And then we want to add this to our design. Add to design, click on that. Yeah, there. Once it's there, you need to reposition, right, and resize so that it's the same size as the original container. Right, we're almost done with our reflection. Just resize a bit and take it down here. Right, that looks fine. And then we need to go back into elements, right, and we want to search for a shadow. Right, so that this looks a bit more natural, we need to add a shadow to our reflection. So you can go into elements and search for a shadow. Right, and then you can click on see all, and then you want to choose one. Yeah, I'll go with this one for demonstration purposes. Right, so and then I need to adjust the size of the shadow so that is also cast a natural shadow over the choose container. Okay, so that looks much better. Right, and this we can, if you like, yeah, there, that looks a lot better. So that's how you achieve creating a reflection in Canva. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do comment down below and tell me what you think. Give the video a like. Cheers, and catch you on the next one.